Okay, XRP. Maybe quickly show you what I mean on this pullback. So we've got this pullback down to here. It's basically with the last level, well, wave 4 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's our wave 4, remember? So the same level right now. So we'd like to see a bounce from here. So like I said, I expect at least 3 waves for the B, and then maybe down to C again, or this could be 3, 4, 5 up to there. Okay, $2 is our target, which is over $2. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. If we look at the 1 hour, we'll see that it's perfectly where I want to. There's my dotted line. I wanted to buy there, or 136, which is this dotted line over there, which is wave 4. So it spiked right through it and pulled back. So now I'm just waiting for the next couple of hours to start showing a green candle, maybe that, and then go. All right, so minimum up to there, otherwise break right through, which would be nice. Okay, good luck. Let's see in a couple of hours.